Hello everyone, I just received the Insta360 One X2 Pocket 360 Steadicam. Going to do a little unboxing video here for you guys. So I'm really excited to use this new camera. It is really cool. So it's got 5.7K 360 capture, Steadicam mode, flow state stabilization, invisible selfie stick, waterproof up to 10 meters, AI editing, 4 microphones for editing, or 4 microphones for audio, ultra bright touchscreen, which is apparently really good in the sunlight, hyperlapse, and it has voice control. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys what's inside. The Insta360 One X2. It's a little smaller than I even imagined it would be. This is cool. It's got a nice little rubberized grip on it. There's a touchscreen, very large. The 2 lenses that stick out a little bit. Battery port. 1/4-20 screw. Very cool. I also got myself the invisible selfie stick, part of the Black Friday deal. So very excited to try this out. And it comes with some accessories as well. Open this up. See what's inside. So the USB cable there, USB-C, fast charge, some instructions, little pouch, it does come with, looks like a lens cover. Yep, that's great. I just bought one. So it comes with a little carrying kit there. Pretty cool. Some more instructions and stickers. All right, well, stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a lot of video content with this little thing. I'm excited to share it all with you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.